Of course, it's gonna glitch. Hey Tocas, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just wanted to quickly say that all my socials are linked below as always. Also, I'm pre-filming a couple videos tonight, so I'm super sorry about the background noise. Anyways, if you've been here for a while, you know that my house tours are like my most requested videos. So I did update my house for spring, but I did hear there is a new pack, which there will be a new video of. But anyways, I will do another updated house tour once I do that. But anyways, today I'll be doing a spring house tour. I guess I'll be explaining a couple of the things and showing you like my favorite parts of it. I don't really know what I'm doing, but anyways. Okay, so here's the house I'm living in. So this is like my porch area. I did swap out a lot of things, and honestly it's super springy and adorable. My favorite part is definitely the dog in the bathtub. I think that is such a cute like little spring touch. Also, there's tons of animals on the outside, and honestly I'm obsessed with how it came out. But anyways, then moving on to like the hallway. There's just a first aid area and then this like little hook thing with a few things. Then we have my laundry room, which has a bunch of like random things in there. It is so messy, but I absolutely love how it came out. I just think that it's so like real and like me. However, I do think it's kind of like empty. Anyways, then we have like this another hallway area. I'm obsessed with how the shelf came out. I think it's super cute. Also, this area did not change too much. I just like changed the photo frame and stuff. But yeah, of course, I still love this area if I kept it. And also, I know there's a bunch of like these like little wooden things with things inside. There's a bunch of them. Then moving along into my kitchen. I am very much like a very cluttered kitchen kind of girl. I absolutely love how it came out. My kitchens are always super similar to one another. I just love the kitchen idea and I kind of keep it. However, I do think that the kitchen came out super cute, and then when you move along, you have the dining table. And of course, a snack bar because obviously you need snacks. I also love this idea and I came up with it all by myself, so yeah. Then we have my bathroom. My bathroom is honestly super aesthetic and I kind of wish I had this in real life. But anyway, I absolutely love how it came out. I know I've said this so much. And then lastly, we're moving along to my bedroom. I did this kind of how I would want my bedroom to be in real life. And honestly, it's super cozy and I love the feel of it. So moving along to upstairs, we're going to start with my outside area. We have this ginormous garden area. It's honestly like super big. I basically just went around the farm area and I found a bunch of random things for it and then I put it. Ignore the polar bear in the pool. And then as we move along, we can see like this area. Again, more animals, of course. Another one of these things, and we have a basic outdoor kitchen. And of course, another hallway filled with random clutter that honestly I don't need. But of course, I love it. Then the other hallway area, which is just the same. And the first part's my living room. I know I've said this a lot, don't come for me, but I love how like cluttered my living room is, but it's also really cute. And again, I really wish I could have this living room in real life because I would love it. Then we have Ryland's room, which honestly did not change much except for the dog, which for this dog we have chosen the name Milo. Then it is Oakley's room. I really did not know how to change this room, so I didn't. But this room is probably one of my favorite rooms in the whole house. I think it's very cute. And honestly, if I did have a baby right now in real life, this is the exact room I would want. Then lastly, we have Oakley's room. Don't come for me, it didn't change much either. And then for the dog, we have Bella. It's very cute and girly, and honestly, I'm obsessed with it. Honestly, this is probably, again, one of my favorite rooms. I just, love how everything turned out. Anyways, this brings me to the end of today's video. Shout out goes to the person on the screen. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end. As always, if you do use my house, please give credits because I did work entirely super hard on this. You guys are beautiful, I love you so much, and you're amazing. Bye!